Be careful, be careful. Hello, how are you?
What's your something about Randall first?
I think he's amazing. We love his stuff, and he's a very dear friend of mine, and I'm always very happy for him. So that's why I'm always here.
You've always been up to date on fashion. What's your natural style statement?
I think style is something which is very personal. You can't really, for me, I believe not to follow fashions. Make your own statements. I think that's the best fashion.
Are you most comfortable in what kind of fashion? Anything with Malaika, the heroes today, the male stars, are being paid in huge sums. What's your take on that?
I think each to his own, whether male or female. I think everybody is being paid good money. I think that's what's great about today.
It's a finale, so it's going to be the best show.
And your tag on Lakme Fashion Week on your
I haven't really followed it this time because I've not been in the country. I've been out working, and the last 2 days that I've been here, I mean, whatever I can gather from the pictures in the paper, and I really can't comment on what's happening or who's done what, you know.
Okay, Amita, celebrity, Bollywood celebrities are showstoppers. What is your take on that?
I think it's fantastic. We represent a whole generation. We represent a lot of other stuff, and why not? I mean, if you need that extra, push, and you need someone to walk down the ramp, really flattering your cause, I think no one else better than a Bollywood celeb.
Okay, Amrita, the male actors today are being paid in huge sums. What is your take on that?
I think they're truly deserving. It runs on their shoulders, the film, and it's not long before it even happens with the girls.
Thank you.